This is Real Estate Talk Boston. I'm Chris Devon, and today I'm joined by Boston Power Player and CEO of the O'Connell Insurance Group, Keith O'Connell. Keith, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Chris.
Now, insurance plays a major role in the whole home buying process. So for the home buyer out there that's just getting going, how should they obtain their policy and what should they be looking for in regards to insurance?
First and foremost, they need to find a broker that they're comfortable with. Find someone that's going to be an advocate for them. Looking for the right coverages, the right carrier, and ultimately the right price for them. You said major role. Oftentimes we're an afterthought. They're so consumed with getting the mortgage, getting to a closing date, and then, oh goodness, we need insurance. So it's important, but sometimes considered an afterthought. But we like to think that at O'Connell Insurance Group, we can get them where they need right at time for closing.
And that's a big misconception, right? Because everything is kind of an equal role, and people let certain things fall behind no matter what it is, and you really need to make sure that you're doing the right thing and keeping everything moving right up front. And we always tell people, contact your insurance agent as soon as you go under contract, just so you know what to expect coming down the path.
Yeah, of course. I mean, a lot of folks, sometimes, most of the times, first-time home buyers, they're putting in their whole life savings, and to buy their dream home. And you want to be able to protect that asset, and that's where we come in. Providing the right coverage, making sure the home is properly covered in the event that there is a loss.
Now let's talk about price, because I think a lot of people get stuck on just what it's going to cost them. But with insurance, it's really important what goes into the policy. It's not just about price.
Of course, yeah. I mean, a lot of times people say, just give me the lowest price, I don't care. Well, that's where people get jammed up. There's a situation where, they only want a good price and they might not be properly insured. We like to take the time, explain the coverages, get the true value of the home, look at the square footage and, get a price per square foot to come up with the total value and work from there.
Great information, Keith. And if you'd like to reach out to Keith directly for any of your insurance needs, you can do so by going to oiginc.com. And remember, there's more buyer-seller tips right here below on boston.com.
Tune into Radio BDC Sunday mornings at 7 to hear Chris Devon and his guest list of top-notch local real estate professionals deliver the timely truths of the greater Boston real estate market.